Wait. Slow. She went up, and then she went down, and she went up, and then she went back. Is that a zigzag? Hold on. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back on my channel, Sador Paris. All right, so don't mind my hair, I just washed it and it's shrunken for life. I'm gonna be trying BeautycanBraid's new technique for crochet braids and see if it works for me, so wish me luck. I'm gonna have to do the braids off camera because it's just not working right now. Hey, come on. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is add this GS hair growth oil to all my edges and my scalp. Make sure that everything is good and fine, because I had too many bad experiences of me doing crochet styles and that pulls out my edges, that breaks my hair. I can't. We gonna learn from our lessons. You see these baby hairs? I'm trying to keep them. So people wanna know what the smell of this is like. Think of lavender, vanilla, and some herbal shit. Oh shit, damn, oh fuck. Sorry guys. Like, I should just go outside like this. You know how many bitches out back? Like, yo, mom, what's good? Yeah. What's good, baby? Like, can I get your name? How you doing? I mean, there's no other words in the English language, so I guess that's what they're limited to. You know what? Another easy way to do this is take the oil, put it on your fingertips, right? Do that. Bam. To be honest, I don't even know if I did the zigzags correctly, because I feel like her zigzags were way more defined than mine. Mine looks like, we're gonna see what happens. Like, I can't. I'm not about to redo this shit. Okay, so first you have to, I'm watching BeautycanBraid's video right now. So first you gotta, she says that it's better to use the crochet braid going down so it can help, you know, with your edges so it doesn't pull it, I think. You gotta go down first. This is the first one. I think you just like hook this on here, like that. No. Oh, okay, now I remember how to do it. Wow, okay, go through the loop, hook it on, slide it through. Okay, wow. Listen, y'all can't blame me. I haven't been on YouTube for 1,000 years, so I'm a little rusty. Does it look like hers? Oh, shizzle. Wait a minute. See, this is why I don't be playing with my edges though. Like, I really don't. These braids are so freaking like bulky, and to be sliding under this little area is just much, you know? This is why I'm using that GS hair growth oil, because I do not want to be bald headed after I take this style out. It's just never worth it. Okay, I'm done, y'all. This is how it's looking. This is what I feel. So the technique definitely works. The only thing that I would suggest if you're gonna opt to do this technique by BeautycanBraid is that make the zigzags smaller, because if you don't, they're gonna end up looking kind of like crochet braids still. You see how big that part was? Let me show you the middle. Don't do sloppy. Do it very neat, very, you know, not tight, but just do it really neat, because if you don't, the parts are just not gonna be like really on point, and I didn't know that. I mean, I like it. I like her technique. Would I try this again? Maybe if I have like a bad hair day, but but that's like a personal choice, because I'm not really into crochet braids anymore. Like, that's just not my thing. And y'all keep asking me about my edges, and I keep telling you guys the same thing. I used the GS hair growth oil. When I had alopecia, my hairline was thinning, it was receding. I used GS hair growth oil and it grew back within 2 months. So that's what my edges is popping. I left all the information in the description box below. I also left the link to BeautycanBraid's channel. Check her out. She's super talented, super dope. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm such a bird today.